In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a PDF link to your WordPress page using Elementor. Whether you're sharing a digital brochure, a report, or any document, making it accessible to your audience is vital. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to ensure everything goes smoothly. To get started, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. If you're not already familiar, it's essentially the heart of your WordPress site, where you control and customize your various settings. Make sure you have your login details handy to enter your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Media Library. The Media Library is a one-stop shop for managing all your images, audio files, videos, and, of course, PDFs. Now, locate the button to upload files. It's typically right at the top of the Media Library page and quite straightforward. Select this button and choose the PDF file you want to upload from your computer. It's always a good idea to double check that you're uploading the correct file, especially if you have multiple documents with similar names. After the upload is complete, click on the newly added PDF to pull up its details. You'll see a section that displays the file URL. Copy this URL as it's essential for the steps that follow. Next, head to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the pages on your website. Find the page where you'd like to add the PDF link and select it. This will take you to the page editing screen. To create a more visually appealing website, click on the option to edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful tool that lets you drag and drop elements to design your pages dynamically. It's highly user-friendly, even if you're new to website building. Now, within Elementor, focus on adding a button widget. This is how visitors will click to access your PDF. Find the button widget in the Elementor panel and drag it onto your page wherever you desire it to appear. With the button in place, look for the link field in the widget settings. Paste the URL you copied from the Media Library. It's crucial this link is correct so that users can seamlessly interact with your document. To personalize this button, Elementor allows you to customize its text, color, and positioning. Make it catchy and on-brand to catch your audience's attention. This level of customization ensures that the button is more than just functional. It's visually appealing. After you've adjusted the settings to your satisfaction, the final step is to go ahead and either publish or update the page. By doing this, the changes you've made will be live, and your visitors will now be able to access your PDF document via the new button. And there you have it, a polished, professional way to share PDFs straight from your WordPress site. Whether for business or personal use, this method makes linking documents a breeze. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.